Let's continue with polymorphism. Here, poly in Greeks means many. Morphism means forms. It means that a variable of a supertype can refer to a subtype object. Supertype, we are referring to superclass. And then subtype, we are looking at subclass. So we are using superclass as a type, then we code it as a supertype. If we use a subclass with this in the hierarchy as a type, we code it as a subtype. Or you can just refer to object reference variables. So meaning is like this. For example, undergraduate is subtype of students, and then student is supertype for undergraduate. So we are looking at subtype. Student is a supertype. So let's go back to the same example. If you look at line number 40 to 42, we can use overloading methods. Then we can process them with 3 different overloading methods, because it has a different parameter. First one has a student class type. Second one has an undergraduate. Last one has a graduate type. Again, we are going to do the same thing. Just print student object using 2 string methods. So parameter we have here should be student. We are going to repeat 2 more times. So second overloading methods should have a different parameter, undergraduate and UZ. Here graduate and then graduate. So instead of using these methods directly, we can use overloading methods. Just say display student, parameter student object, display missing S, okay, typo S, okay, Same thing, method overloading method name displayStudent. This time UZ. Same thing, displayStudents graduate. So it works exactly the same. It print student name, student code, and GPA, also major, and then thesis title. Those two-string method belongs to superclass. The second one, two-string method, we override it. That belongs to undergraduate class. Last one, graduate two-string. So here, can I call superclass method get name? Can I invoke superclass methods? We can do that. Because graduate is a subclass, so we should be able to do so. John, Jenny, and Will. Okay. That's something to do with overloading methods. So if you look at here, polymorphism. If you know how to use polymorphism, or at least if you understand, you don't need those three different overloading methods. Here, meaning says that a object's reference variable of supertype can refer to subtype, means students can refer to UZ. Student also refers to graduate. So it is not necessary to have the other two overloading methods. John and Jenny will, okay? It does exactly the same. What about two-string methods? Again, it works exactly the same. Polymorphism concept seems somehow difficult to understand, but if you look at the implementations, it makes it a lot more simpler, okay? So with this in hierarchy, supertype reference variable can refer to subtype reference variable. So this variable actually referring to object reference variable. So let me just write it down. So first one, we are looking at students as a object reference variable of supertype called student, can refer to a subtype. In this case, there are two subtypes, undergraduate and then graduate. That's all. Thank you.